How to save Telegram videos in phone gallery. Okay, well, first of all, open up your Telegram app. Now, once you're here, go up here to the 3 bars. Now go to Settings. On Settings, you need to scroll down and click on Data and Storage. Perfect, now scroll down again. On this Save to Gallery section, you can select where your videos are going to come from. So you can activate private chats, groups, and channels if you want videos to be saved from all these 3. Now once you activate them, you need to go to each one individually. Let's begin with channels, to select a maximum video size. So you can go up to 4 gigabytes. Let's do 4 gigabytes for this one. Now go back. Groups, same thing, 4 gigabytes as well in my case. And private chats, you can go to 4 gigabytes. Now that this is activated, you can go to a chat and download media from here. That's how you save Telegram videos in your phone gallery.